everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well and having a wonderful day. So today I have got Zoella's new Christmas range. I am so excited to try all this out. Her Christmas ranges are my favourite of all her products that she usually releases. I just kind of really enjoy the products that she has at Christmas time. It's been a little kind of confusing what's going on with her Christmas range this year. All the products are for sale in Superdrug at the moment, but she hasn't really released the products officially. On her Instagram she's kind of still sneak peeking things and she hasn't done an official launch, so I'm not really sure what's happening there. But if you want to go try them out, they're all on the Superdrug website and I've seen them in some of the Superdrug stores as well, which is really exciting. I haven't tried any of this yet, I haven't smelt any of it, so I can't wait to get stuck in and kind of see what it's like. Another thing I'm not too sure on is the name of the range. I think it's Cosmos or possibly Cosmic. I don't really know. All of the products have kind of got Supernova and Stargazer and kind of very intergalactic names, but I don't know what the actual range is called, so maybe we'll find that out at some point. Okay, so I'm going to get stuck in with a gift set that I've brought. I usually buy the products kind of individually. I don't normally buy the gift sets, but not all of the products are available on their own. I'm not sure if that's going to be how it is or if that's just at the moment and they're going to release more of the products individually, which I hope they do, they normally do. But for now I managed to pick up this. This is her gift set for this year. Oh, right way around. It's quite big and it's in this absolutely gorgeous box that's kind of like holographic and it's got cute sayings on it like "You're Cosmic." It's very pretty. I absolutely adore the box. The gift set is called Wish Upon a Spa. Clever there, I like that one. And it contains quite a lot of products, so I'm going to get this open and see what's inside. Okay, so this gift set was £40 from Superdrug. I do believe that it sometimes comes on offer as well, like up to the run up to Christmas, so do keep an eye out for that. It is so holographic, you can see it's picking up all my lights and everything, and it is so pretty. I also love this box because you could definitely reuse it, which is awesome. But inside, the lid just comes off like this, and we've got loads of these kind of like packing chips in beautiful kind of pastel pink and purple. These are awesome because they kind of just biodegrade. You can put water on them and they shrink up, so that's really cool. You don't end up with loads of wasted packaging. But I'm going to delve straight in and see what we find first in here. So the first product that I've got out of the box is this. This is Zoella's Body Whip. Now, I'm not a huge fan of body lotions, but I really liked her one from her summer range, so I've got high hopes for this one. The whips are usually a little bit more thicker than kind of a body lotion, but oh, I don't know what I was expecting scent-wise, but this is really nice. And it's a lovely kind of, it's not too thick actually. The consistency is quite light, which is absolutely gorgeous, and it smells amazing. I'm not 100% sure what scent it is though, if that makes sense. Like, it says, oh okay, it says soothing vanilla and peppermint, but I don't really get either of them two scents. Oh, I can smell the vanilla. I can smell the vanilla, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I just can't pinpoint it. Like, it's such a weird scent, and it's very different to anything she's done before. I was so not expecting that. It's really kind of almost grown up. I really like it. Make sure you go check out the scent and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this scent and kind of what you can pick up on. So that is her Body Whip. Next in the gift set we have got one of these. This is I don't really know what you call them. I call them a shower scrunchie. I don't actually know what the proper terminology is. It's in this really gorgeous baby pink and lilac colour, which is the kind of colours that she's using throughout the entire range. So that's really pretty. And you also get one of these headband things in here as well. It's quite a stretchy one, and I've got a big head, which means it'll probably fit my head, which is amazing. It's very soft as well, and it's a beautiful kind of dark blue colour. These are great for if you're having a bit of a pamper session and you're putting a face mask on, or if you're sitting in the bath and you don't want your hair getting in your face. So they're really handy to have. Right, next in our box we have Bubble Soak. So this is the Zoella Bubble Soak. The packaging is so pretty. It's kind of got like stars all on it and is a sort of very dark navy, like midnight sky kind of colour. I love a bubble soak. I love bubble bath, so let's see what this is like. This smells quite different to the Body Whip. body whip smells a little bit lighter. This is a stronger scent, but it's very, very beautiful, and I can smell the peppermint. I can smell the peppermint in this. Yes, that is a beautiful, so I'm really looking forward to trying out the bubble soak. Now, because these are not being sold individually, there's not really individual prices for a lot of these products yet, so you'll have to keep an eye out online for if they do get released on their own. I know that you can buy kind of the bubble bath and the body whip in smaller gift sets as well. She's got quite a lot of gift sets out, so if you don't want to buy the big one, you can pick up some smaller ones, which is awesome. The next product that we have got in her range is the Milky Way Bath. So this is a bath powder. I really, really like her bath powders. They're one of my favourite products that she does. I do prefer how she did it last Christmas. So last Christmas they were individually kind of packaged in smaller, like one-use sachets almost, which I found a little bit easier to use. She started doing them in these bigger packets, which is great, but I just prefer the single use because these get damp and you end up spilling them and it can be a little bit of a nightmare. But you do get a lot more product in here. You get 120 grams in there, so it's a large packet. It'll last you for quite a while. I'm going to open it up and see what the scent is. Ooh, I can never open these packets. I've made such a mess of that. I should have had some scissors. You can smell the peppermint so much in this one. Oh my gosh, that is so strong. It's quite weird how the products smell slightly different, like you pick up on different elements. So this one I would say smells really, really pepperminty, the strongest out of all of them. So that is her bath milk powder. Next we have the Star Soft Foaming Body Scrub. Now she has done quite a few scrubs before, but I've never seen a foaming body scrub before. Not 100% sure what one of those is. I presume that when you use it, it will kind of turn into a little bit of a body wash as well. There isn't actually a body wash in this gift set, so maybe this kind of doubles up as a body wash as well. Again, the packaging's gorgeous. It's lilac and white with beautiful silver stars and spots all on it. It looks so, so pretty. I'm actually going to open it the big way. Ooh. So it's quite scrubby actually. Kind of sugary scrubbery, so it's not like a sharp scrub, but it is very, very scrubby. It smells very gentle. The scent's not very overpowering, but it is very, very lovely. You pick up on the vanilla again, like in the body whip. Oh, that's very, very nice, and I'm very intrigued to see what the foaming side of it's going to be like. This is her Cosmic Cream Body Lotion. So we've had the Body Whip, which is a little bit more moisturising and a little thicker. This is her sort of generic body lotion. The scent of this one, again, I can't smell it out the top. Wow, that was loud. Okay, the scent of this one is, ooh, I really can't smell it. This is very light. Let me squish a little bit out. Okay, so the scent is very, very subtle. I would say this is kind of the least smelling product that she's had so far. It's a very, very subtle scent. Again, I pick up more on the vanilla from the body side of things, which I guess is quite nice because peppermint would probably be a little bit overpowering in a body lotion, but very, very light scented. I literally can hardly pick up on anything in there. But that is her body cream, and it is body lotion rather, and it's quite a large one. It is 160 ml, so it's a big, big size. The last product that we have got in the gift set as well is something that she brings out every single year, and it is her hand cream. This year is called Reach for the Moon, which is a really cute name, and it's this beautiful silver, again slightly holographic with all the little white stars and spots on it. Now I love her hand creams. I use them all the time. They're always these massive tubes as well, which is great for keeping them next to your bedside table. Not so handy for in your handbag, but never mind. Let's have a little smell, should we? Oh, this is lovely. You can pick up on the scent. It does smell a little bit floral actually. I don't know where I'm getting the floral from because I don't think it contains anything that would be florally. Again, no, it's vanilla and peppermint. That's kind of the main ingredients throughout the scent, but you don't really smell the peppermint so much in these products. The peppermint's definitely coming out more in the bath range than it is in the body range. You do pick up her large gift set this year. One thing that is really cool that she does have in here is these lucky stars. So over 200 prizes to be won. It gives you a code and you can win spa days and beauty products and all kinds of cool things like that. The code's on the back and you just have to enter it in online. So that's really, really cool as well with the gift box that you can get. So there were a few products that weren't available in the large gift set but have been released separately or in smaller gift packs. I kind of wanted to give her whole range a try, so I've bought some of those items as well so that I can show you. One of my favourite products that she does release is her body mist. I would have loved to have seen it in the large gift set of some form, maybe a mini one or one of the rollerballs, but they didn't have anything in there, so I managed to pick up this one. It's called Cosmos this year. It is beautiful and very heavy as normal and glass and weighted, feels very luxurious, and it's kind of a dark midnight blue that goes ombre into a beautiful clear at the top with a beautiful holographic top and the little stars all over it as well, so it looks so beautiful and is perfect for Christmas time. This smells really good. It smells lovely. Oh, it does smell really good. Again, I don't particularly pick up on the peppermint side of things. You can smell the sweetness of the vanilla, but it doesn't smell like generic vanilla. It's a very unusual scent and very, very different, but I think it's gorgeous. It's possibly one of my all-time favourite scents that she's done. I really, really am enjoying the scent so far. So that is Cosmos. It is, let me have a little look. It is £12 for the large bottle, which is 100 ml. It does also come in a smaller kind of gift pack where she has some of her other scents as well. That's £16 for 4 minis, and she also has got the little rollerball ones out this year. You get 3 different scents and they are £9. So there's lots of different variations of the body mist out this year that you can try. Next up we have got her lip balms. So this year she's released them in a set of 2. They are £7 for the 2 of them, and they are 2 different scents. Ooh. They are 2 different scents as well. So we have got a shea nut lip balm and a cranberry shimmer. So I'm going to open these up and have a little look to see what they are like. Oh, they remind me of the Nivea tins. You get little Nivea body moisturisers. They remind me of those tins. They're quite thin but very, very round. This one is, oh, it says on the front, the cranberry shimmer. Oh, I can't get the lid off. There we go. So it's not the colour I was expecting. I was expecting this to kind of be like a pink or a red. You can definitely see lots of shimmer in there. It smells so cranberry, it smells gorgeous, but the colour's kind of like a goldy nude. So it's kind of a goldy nude rather than like a pink or a red. The tins are gorgeous. This one's silver with dark blue on it, and the other one is the midnight blue with the little stars on it. So this one is the shea nut one. Let me see if I can get the lid off this. Oh, these lids are really hard to get off. Oh my goodness. That just took me absolutely ages to get the lid off this tin. That was so difficult. Anyway, this one is not shiny, it's a matte colour, and it's just a kind of generic white, just a normal colour. It smells absolutely gorgeous though. It actually reminds me of the Body Shop lip balm. It smells very, very similar to one of theirs. I'm presuming it's their shea one as well, but it smells gorgeous. So that is her 2 lip balms that she's got out this year. The next product is a moisturising solid bath oil. Now, I don't think Zoella has ever brought out a bath oil before. She has brought out some different bath products. She used to have some really cool tea bags that I absolutely loved, but they haven't come back this year. But I've not seen a bath oil before, so this is something quite new. They are £8, which I think is a little bit pricey because you only get 2 bath oils in there, so that's kind of like £4 a bath, and you would probably use the whole thing. I guess you could cut them up, but they are quite small. So this is the size of one of them. I don't know, I just feel like these ones are maybe a little bit too pricey. Scent wise, they smell very, very nice. They're very, very strong. They smell gorgeous. They're already melting on my hands, so they're going to melt really, really well in your bath oil, in your bath rather. I'm just not sure on the price of these. I think I would personally prefer to buy a Lush bath oil. I'm not saying the quality is necessarily going to be any better, but I know that the ingredients have been sourced very economically, and you know, there's all that side of it as well that you're paying for with these. I don't know, I'm just not very sure on these, but I'm looking forward to trying them out in the bath and seeing what they're actually like. Now, the last product that I've got here is her body wash. I had to buy it in a gift set because she doesn't have a body wash at the moment in any of the other sets. There just isn't one, and it also isn't available on its own, and this is only a mini size, so I don't know if she just isn't bringing them out, or I'm not 100% sure there. I quite like to have the mini products because I do a lot of travelling. I take them away with me all the time, so I didn't mind buying it in the mini version. It was £5.50 for the 2 products. I just would have liked to have seen a bigger version of her body wash because I really like her body washes. I'm just going to try and get into this because it's quite solid, and then I'll be able to show you them. The packaging is so strong on these products. It's literally taken me forever to get inside of all of them. So this collection is called the Mini Supernova Bathing Collection. You get a little mini body whip, which is great for travelling. It's got loads of product in there as well. Size is a 14 mils on that, so it's still a really, really big one. And then you also get the Mini Star Shower Body Wash. This is a 14 mil again. Again, let me go this way in. Okay, so the scent on this is so strong. That's why I usually like her body washes, because she does usually have a gorgeous scent in them. They do usually come up really, really strong. It's kind of almost like a gel actually. It's very sticky and gel-like. But yes, the scent is really gorgeous, and you can smell the peppermint. The peppermint comes through on it. I really like the peppermint side of it. I think my favourite products in the range are the ones that you can actually smell the peppermint. The bubble soak is probably my favourite so far. I really, really like the milk powder as well, and they're all the ones that you can smell the peppermint. So they are my favourites that I really, really think you should try if you get a chance. Okay, so that is all of Zoella's Christmas range. I've really enjoyed this range. I love the colour scheme. I love the kind of intergalactic star thing that she's got going on as well. I really like that, and I think it's perfect for Christmas. All of the items, their packaging looks so pretty, so it's going to look gorgeous on your bath side or on your dressing table. It's just going to look really, really nice, which I love. Some of the products I do love more than others. There are a few on there that I maybe wouldn't pick because the scents aren't very strong, but some of them are absolutely incredible, and I'm really looking forward to trying them out properly and giving them a go in the bath and giving them a proper run through and seeing what they're like once in use. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing of Zoella's new range. If you have, please give me a little thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you could, and it'll only take a few moments. But thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!